Hey everyone, quick but crucial update today. The FBI just published its latest internet crime report and the news is alarming. In 2024 alone, Americans lost over $16 billion to cybercrime. That's a massive 33% increase compared to the previous year. Criminals use tactics like phishing, fake tech support scams, and investment fraud, causing huge financial damage. One particularly nasty trend highlighted was the rise of grandparent scams, where scammers pretend to be family members to trick older folks into sending money. Now, to put this into perspective, California alone lost $2.5 billion, with Texas and Florida close behind. So what does this mean for you? Cybercriminals are getting smarter, and attacks are becoming harder to spot. Especially now, when tools like artificial intelligence can create highly convincing scams. That's why the FBI and cybersecurity experts strongly recommend you use tools to protect yourself. First, never click on links you don't fully trust. Avoid giving personal information over calls or emails. Always enable multi-factor authentication on your accounts. And crucially, never perform sensitive activities on public Wi-Fi without protection. One of the most effective steps you can take immediately is to start using a trusted VPN service. Personally, I recommend NordVPN, as it encrypts your internet connection, blocks trackers and malware, and protects your data from being intercepted by scammers. Right now, I've arranged a special deal for my viewers. With the link in the description, you can get NordVPN at an exclusive discount. Basic plan just $3 per month, Plus plan just $4 per month, Complete plan for $5 per month, and Prime plan for $7 per month. With over 7,400 servers in 118 countries and the ability to protect up to 10 devices simultaneously, NordVPN helps you and your loved ones stay safe online. Cybercrime isn't slowing down, but staying informed and protected can prevent you from becoming the next victim. Grab the discounted NordVPN offer using the special link below. Take action today and protect yourself. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.